Before this video starts, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from me. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to Thomas Innovative Mind, and today we're doing something very special. Today we are doing Fire Alarm System Test 1. Now on this brand new fire alarm system, we are running a American keypad, but everything else stays the same. We have our, open it up so you can remember, we have the Firelight Alarms by Honeywell, model VG12. And if I tilt forward, the camera forward, we are still using the same thermostat set at 37 degrees. That's meant so if the room gets hotter than 37 degrees, it's going to go off. Now the way I program both the pole station and the thermostat, which is a homemade heat detector, is that, turn the screen back on, is that I programmed them both on the fire zone. Now the trouble light is on. So we go star 2. It says trouble code is 5. I'm not sure what the 5, what's 5% for and what the meaning of it is. But if one of you guys know what number 5 is, system trouble code 5 is, and how to fix it, please let me know in the comments below. And as long as the system does work, trouble light isn't an issue. Alright, so now here comes the fun part. Pulling the pole station. So ready? We're gonna do it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, shut that off. Almost entering the wrong code, but yeah. Now let's reset the pole station. Never been this nervous before when making a fire alarm video. Holy smokes, I can't believe this is actually working. And now we go to the keypad and hit the arrow. See, we have number 1. Star 3 gives you the code, the zone, and what it's for. So we go star 3. See, it says there was a fire in zone 1, and now that's in memory. So we will have to clear the memory after. I'm not going to show you how to clear the memory on camera because of the whole trouble light and all that, but one thing that we can do is trigger the homemade heat detector. So we'll point this down. Here's the homemade heat detector set at 37. So now we're just going to simply, because the temperature in the room is 21 degrees, we're going to simply lower it down to the lowest it can go, which is 10 degrees. And that's in Celsius, by the way, not Fahrenheit, Celsius. So let's turn down to 10 degrees Celsius, like so. In 3, 2, 1, let it kick on. There we go. Shut that off really quickly before I disturb the neighbors because the siren is very loud. And we set the thermostat. Point this up. Thermostat is now off. So now we go star 3. It says we had a fire in zone 1 and a fire in zone 2, but now that's in memory. That is in memory. So now if you enjoyed this brand new fire alarm system test video, please like the video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, my link to my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you.